Yeah, we want to win this weekend. That's it. Wrapped up the day. 1-1, 2-hole shots.
We're gonna make a vlog.
Jess loves vlogs. He would be honored to be.
I love vlogs. He loves me.
Back to
Ready to get those W's.
I can't fluff it yet. But
who did that? That looks like a...
I paid $38 for it. So Prairie Hill round 3, redemption race. Yeah, we want to win this weekend. That's it. Man, I gotta stop pouring points back. I'm too far back right now, but ain't over yet. So yeah, feeling good. Bike's fresh. We got some fresh sick gear for tomorrow, which is gonna look mean. But yeah, we got good vibes. Had a good day riding, good week riding, so I'm ready to go. Got the Moto Central.
Where's the...
Weekend's gear. Little polka dot. It's clean. I love it. It's sick. We got plenty of other colours too. The grey. Round 2, round 1. There's more coming.
Is it live? We're live?
Yeah, it's live.
We're gonna make a vlog.
They'll probably leave the start there. I haven't looked at it, I haven't seen it. I was thinking even like, I don't think that the hangouts would be need to be there. Part of Mountain, we're here, race day, delay, a little rain delay. It's meant to be a mudder, but I don't think it will be. We're not setting the bike up in mud, we're setting up to go fast. Ready to have a day.
You say you love me when you are alone, but when you are fine, you don't need my love. I have to stop going back to you, back to you, back to you. You say you love me when you are alone, but when you are fine, you don't need my love. I have to stop going back to you, back to you, back to you.
Oh, let's fucking go. It's good to get a win. And I'm that whole time, man.
Body position.
Like, come on, 2 laps, 2 laps. That was sick.
Separation means forever vacant, never lose your cool. I said today the rain was gonna fall. Aim at the parade and told them I don't make the rules, nah, I won't change at all. Nah, I can't play the fool. Along the way, stages with them, I can't wait to stay but right now it's a rush. Talk to me about dreams that you can touch, even my demons couldn't bluff. Still no people warning us, the things you told me really should I have. Keep waiting for the buzz. Yeah, there's more to run. Been a little sun, all the buzz. Story spot. When it comes.
just wrapped up the day. 1-1, 2 hole shots, locked in, carried the boats, all that kind of stuff. So main day, track was gnarly, mad delay. We did 4 laps of practice and straight into 2 motos, so that was kind of sketchy, but same for everybody. But man, pumped on the day, fired up, but time to stay locked in, and yeah, plenty more racing to go.
Oh, I have a $5 double.